Alright everybody, welcome back. HPC Fire Inspired Forno the pizza today. So we are basically heating up the oven and we're going to be cooking, come with me, we're going to be doing this beautiful Tomahawk ribeye steak. We're going to reverse sear it. We're going to chop up this bacon, we're going to fry the bacon in the skillet, and then we're going to put some of this beautiful kale right in the pan with the bacon grease. It's going to be delicious. And then to finalize things, chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so here we are back. We got some bacon that we actually chopped up into pieces. And once those get nice and crispy, we're going to set it aside. We're going to reuse all that awesome bacon grease. And we're going to put the kale right on it. So what's going to happen, all of these juices are going to stay contained in the steak. Once we get to a temperature about 105 degrees, the bacon looks awesome. Let's check this out. So, just enough that we can save some of this awesome bacon grease for our kale. So we're going to set the bacon aside right now. Look at that. We're just going to set this over here. Look at that beautiful bacon. We just transferred the bacon and it looks and it tastes. We have some leftover bacon grease here. We're just going to throw this kale right on here. We're going to put this back in the oven. It smells very aromatic. You can smell the truffle salt on that, and it smells very, very good. So we're going to throw some of this butter that we kind of melted over here. And there we go. This is going to be good. So we have it for about a minute in the pan and it's searing really, really nicely here. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. All right, we have this seared in there. We flipped it already. So, oh yeah, that's looking really, really nice. Beautiful. All right, here we go. So, we're going to get this out like that. So we got some residual heat in the oven, and so we kind of had it ready. We're going to put some chocolate chip cookies inside of the oven. So those are going to be about 350 degrees or so, and we're just going to close the door. The oven's been turned off, and just with the residual heat, it's in about 10 minutes the cookies should be done. All right, looks like the cookies should be done. We had them at about 350 with the residual heat from the oven. Oh yeah, perfect. Nice. Perfect. So we're gonna leave the cookies here, let them cool down a little bit. And we have this beautiful kale with some green onion and some bacon. And we're just gonna put this a little bit here. Oops. And we got some of this awesome tomahawk steak. I just It looks incredible. That nice green butter with some awesome truffle salt right on there. And just to finalize things just a little bit, we're gonna put a little bit of this awesome green butter. Just a little bit of garlic right on there. And when we're done, why not have 2 cookies instead of 1 cookie? And here's our awesome plate.